Something back there.
Well, just probably caught the chain or something, and then it just.
That's not a good thing! Not a fucking good thing! At least it didn't tear me off the bike.
Yeah, that might have been bad. You gonna hold your bike?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say, because usually when things get caught in a chain, they end up in the chain.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Did I mention how nice a shaft drive is?
Yep.
Okay. I'm not sure if I said anything about it.
Why? Because it doesn't suck things off your body.
Oh, that thing's definitely still usable right there.
That's what all that extra tape was for. I protected that bad boy. We'll just fix that up tonight and it'll be fine.
Yeah, it's definitely still usable.
I really actually do think it's still usable.
Is it?
Yeah.
The end of it there? Well,
Not that part.
this part here is the part that needs to be functioning.
Ooh.
That's the part that we need. I don't think that's functioning.
Any battery mart would have a battery tender cable in now.
Yeah, if there's a battery, yeah.
It's Albuquerque.
Yeah. Well, we can stop in Oklahoma City first because we can get to Albuquerque late. Something, you know.
Yeah.
Right? We're gonna have to do it tonight or first. Well, I mean, we can do it tomorrow. It's just gonna delay
Yeah.
a lot more.
Fair enough.
Okay, peace out.